frequent urination in pregnancy, बार बार यूरिन पास करने जाना. This is one of the most common symptom of early pregnancy. अब होता क्या है, with rising beta HCG value, the blood flow to the pelvic organ is increased as well as to the kidneys. तो ये हमारे kidneys को efficient बना देते हैं to excrete waste from the bodies more quickly. इसीलिए you get this frequent urination. Secondly, because of the physiological changes in pregnancy, maternal blood plasma volume increases. So this is also one of the factor of frequent urination. Third is last trimester में when the baby is growing, the head of the baby is going down to the pelvis. तो ये जो head है ये urinary bladder को compress करता है जो uterus के सामने placed है. तो इसकी वजह से bladder की जो storage capacity है वो reduce हो जाती है. तो bladder थोड़ा सा भी fill होता है तो you get this urge of passing urine again. एंड लास्ट इज जो नाइट फ्रीक्वेंट विजिट्स इंक्रीज होती हैं प्रेगनेंसी में टू एम्प्टी द ब्लैडर. दैट इज बिकॉज दिन भर में जो फ्लूइड इकट्ठा हुआ है इन द लोअर लिम्स रात को रेस्टिंग स्टेज में इट इज एब्जॉर्ब्ड वेल इन द बॉडीज, when the body is well in a lying down position. So इसकी वजह से the kidneys are now being able to excrete those fluid efficiently in the night. So your bladder gives a signal to the brain and the brain wakes you up in the night to go and empty your bladder. But if you feel that you are sitting in the pot for a longer time than usual and you're getting this urge to avoid urine but you're not able to pass urine, when there is burning when you're passing urine, you have to meet your OBGYN.